Hi, this is Matt Martisich with Skagit Valley College Marine Maintenance Technology Program, and I'm here with Quinn Olson of Northwest Rigging, and we just wanted to take a few minutes to tell you guys kind of what to expect from our class MT-106 Marine Rigging.
We'll talk about rigging inspections and surveys. We'll cover how to dress a mast for stepping and how to dress a mast for de-stepping.
In addition to techniques for removing, building, and installing wire rope rigging, we'll talk about techniques for tuning standing rigging, both at the dock using a loose gauge and dynamically while underway.
We cover procedures for going aloft and for descending. We'll cover things like block and tackle systems and soft shackles. We'll talk about the difference between a marine eye and a stud. You'll learn the difference between the body of a turnbuckle and a T-toggle. We'll teach you how to tell a swage eye toggle from a stem ball. We'll cover the difference between a rotary swage and a carry swage.
We're going to talk about different types of rope, so actual synthetic rope fibers, their advantages and disadvantages, where they're best used, and of course how to tie all sorts of important knots as well as splices.
We'll talk about how to whip, lock, and stitch. We're going to learn about clutches. We're going to learn about winches. We're going to learn about pane fittings. We're going to learn about how to coil a rope. We're also going to learn how not to coil a rope. We'll talk about the difference between poultice corrosion and galvanic corrosion. We'll tell the difference between a spreader root and a spreader tip. We'll cover drip loops and masthead shivs. We'll cover VHF antennas and tricolor lights. We'll also talk about how not to forget to put on your anemometer. We'll talk about leisure furls. We're going to learn about splicing tools and how to clean up after yourself. We're going to talk about rigging tools and how to use them properly. We're also going to talk about shop dogs.
We're also going to cover tools and techniques for heavy lifting and securing loads, like hand signals for crane operation, inspecting lifting straps, making sure they're properly rated, using ratchet straps properly, come-alongs, chain hoists, and my personal favorite, porta-powers and other hydraulic lifting equipment.